And here we are again. This time we have birds. Problem is, they don't realize that there's that do-it-yourself bird window feeder right above their heads. Very interesting. Not sure what to do in a case like this. I do see lots of birds, no squirrels though. They don't seem to like the wind. But I did put bird feeder on the ground just to get them attracted. I'm hoping that this bird feeder that I've hacked so nicely will be used. But not yet. Tune in tomorrow when we find out, will these birds realize that, hey, there's free food? Where can you get free food? I don't know, but they don't seem to figure these things out. I'm not sure. However, that feed will run out soon, and they'll have to use their sophisticated brains. Yes, sir.